Yes, so thank you, Dr. Vineet Geraji, who is our really controller for this program all over the country. We invite a lot of people from different fields and disciplines, and we give extensive program for higher management. We develop a lot more skills, and I really thank you, sir, for giving the opportunity.
Thank
You
you
have
so
given me a
much.
great opportunity to come and today run the yoga workshop.
It's my pleasure.
So thank you very
Thank you.
much. So dear friends, you see, yoga was not here in this GVK EMRI. But there is a great man here. He is Dr. Raman Rao. He will meet you tomorrow and day after tomorrow. He is director of EMLC. He is a very innovative and very different kind of person. He really understood the significance of yoga, how much yoga is important. And the moment he learned that I have come here to give some motivational talks on your health, wealth, peace, prosperity, joy, success, and everything else, he told, sir, you also incorporate yoga in your schedule. So, beloved friends, yoga started 3 years back here in this organization, and really clap all for Dr. Rao. This is approved by the director of this organization, Mr. Krishna Raju, and finally approved by the chairman, Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy. We play tennis every morning together, our chairman and myself. So, sir was very happy that all of you are going to be very physically fit. And once you are very physically fit, you will be automatically mentally very fit, and then you can really perform very well. So what is yoga? Yoga is giving you everything what you need in your life. Physical, mental, emotional, spiritual compatibility to deal with the day-to-day stress, strain, everything of life. Anybody who is meditating, who is contemplating, who is doing a lot of postures and pranayama, they are free from all worries, anxieties and fret, and they develop all the positive mental attitude like willpower, determination, commitment, passion, love, and they keep their mind free from any kind of negativity. And that you attain by meditation. Meditation is the procedure when you eliminate all your negative thoughts and you inculcate in your mind what you need in your life, what you want in your life. So that is meditation. So I will be dealing with meditation here, and body has to be very strong body. For this I will demonstrate you some kind of postures, what we call asana. Asana is postures. And then pranayama, we have a lot of breathing. Oxygen is life force. Without oxygen we cannot survive. But you see now what you are doing only chest breathing. Chest breathing, little breathing, 5% breathing. But I will tell you, diaphragm very well. And that what makes you become very fresh. Maybe like Prime Minister Narendra Modi, he really introduced yoga all over the world by UNO approval. 21st June is celebrated as International Yoga Day. So the importance of yoga is very, very great. And yoga is ancient Indian culture where a lot of sages like Adi Guru, Lord Shiva started yoga. It came from generation to generation. Then it was Patanjali, sage Patanjali, who really put in black and white. That is Patanjali Yoga Sutra. There are 196 verses. 3 are for physical, other are mental. Because it is the mind which is the power. Your mind is the master power. Every invention, discoveries, everything happens because of mind. All the scientists are great yogi. Buddha was great yogi. Vivekananda was great yogi. Dr. G.V. Krishna Reddy is great yogi. Dr. Gera sir is great yogi. Dr. Raman Rao sir is yogi. They use their mind power. So I will really train you how to use your mind power and how to make your body very strong. You will be having peace, joy, prosperity, love, and everything at your doorstep. Every function of your body becomes very great because there are different systems in the body. Every system works perfectly alright. Like when you read detailing God, you take time to time for servicing. The mechanics and all make the system very well. Now you are going to be your mechanic. You will make every system of your body working very effectively. You can live more than 100 years. I'm 95, but look at my fitness. I look 19-year-old boy. And you may be just not more than 30, 35, but look different, like my friend. You see, this will go away. I will teach you the way how to get it done. But you have to be serious. I can't give you anything to you unless you are ready for that. There has to be will, there has to be desire. Where there is will, there is a way. Right, man? So maybe till now we have not got the awakening and the inspiration to do yoga today you start. Because I love you so much. Sir love you so much. Our management love you so much. You can be very happy for your family, for your whole life, and for the whole country by giving great service. Health is wealth. That's service writing. And how to make it, so that will continue. So I thank you, Dr. Gera, for taking a film, and this is going to YouTube.
Thank you.
So
Thank you so much.
that is really wonderful thing, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you again, Dr. Gera, for the opportunity. Thank you very much.